Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. It's got this manual ramp handle on either side. I'm going to use the passenger side, take this to the ground using only my index finger. The ramp is 34 inches wide, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry. That's one reason I like these rear entry better. It does taper down to 32 inches here at the base. It's got 8 tie down points, so you can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. You can see the rear air controls. The headliner looks good. Between these 2 seats there's about 21 inches of room, so you can fit a wheelchair. The person's legs will fit in between it. The chair will sit generally slightly behind it. If you want one of these chairs removed to make more room to get the chair up farther, or we have chairs that'll flip up on their side, talk to us about that. There's no one size fits all. Let us know what you need. We can make it happen. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. It's got the radio, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plugs, plenty of cup holders. Got the little center console there with even more cup holders. We do give it a free set of pull-tight Q-string tie-downs away with each van. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, flip her on back up there, latch it down. Give the trunk a slam and you are ready to go. Tinted windows. It's got new Falcon tires on it. Nice name brand. The body's pretty clean. It's got a few small scratches in it. That's to be expected on a vehicle that's 9 years old. Very clean. Hard to find a dent in this thing. I mean, for the age, this has been very well taken care of. It's a very nice vehicle. You do see one small little crease right there, probably a little door ding, and that stuff happens, you know. Any vehicle this age is going to have a little chip in the tail light there. Any vehicle this age is going to have a few little chips in it, and you know, dings and dents, and that's to be expected. The only difference is I'm honest enough to show you and tell you about them. Everyone else is going to send you a couple pictures, and most vehicles are going to be much worse condition than this that are this age. I'll show you the VIN number there. We always show you the VIN. We show you that VIN number so you know we have this vehicle in our possession. This is not some internet scam. Also shows no accidents or damage reported to Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Lots of service records, last owned in Arizona. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents or damage, no open recalls, and it shows the vehicle has been serviced regularly, and that's exactly what we want. That's exactly what we're looking for in a used vehicle. Alright, as far as the rest of the interior on the van, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Back seats are both very clean. It's got 2 keys, keyless entry here. You can see the current mile, 64,939. When I go to turn the van on, fires right up. There's no check engine lights on, no airbags, no dummy lights on. We not only check the big, but we check the small, the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heat, air, cruise, anything on the van. We try to push every button, show you exactly what you're getting. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Got your emission sticker right there. Everything looks just like I want it to when I buy a used vehicle underneath here. As I crawl underneath the van, no signs of any bent metal, no signs of any damage. Just the air conditioner dripping right there. No signs of any abnormal rusting up from a flood or anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's low miles. They assume because the pictures look good. They assume because the salesperson was nice to them. They assume it's a good vehicle. They assume it runs and drives good. You know, don't be fooled by that. Demand a detailed video like this. Look how clean it is under here. I bought this van used in Arizona. A lot of competition. Look at their website. Look at their pictures. Go look right now. Notice they don't show you the undercarriage. They buy a lot of these vans from New York, Chicago. They're all rusted out. They've been in accidents. They've been in floods. I can't speak for what everybody does. but I know the car business, and the car business is a dirty business. That's why I'm out here making this video for you. And you know, if someone's gonna ask you to spend $10, $20, $30, $40,000 of your hard-earned money, and you don't demand a detailed video, and you just trust a complete stranger after seeing a couple pictures, well, when the vehicle shows up and it's not what you're expecting, you really only have yourself to blame. People get burned on the internet every day. Don't be one of them. Demand a detailed video. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. The steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibrations or noise, so that's exactly what we're looking for. Keep in mind though, this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Talk to me about those, protect your investment. I cannot promise what these vans are going to do tomorrow, but that's why I'm out driving it today, so you can see how it handles. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. They're just trying to get you to call, and they don't tell you about the $500 administrative fee and the dock fee and the tag fee, and next thing you know, they have $1,200 in fees, and then you got to factor in shipping. That real nice price isn't so nice anymore, is it? So if someone's not going to tell you the real price up front, other than obvious sales tax, you got to pay that. But if they're not going to tell you the real price up front, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? Why aren't they disclosing to you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding title issues? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding mechanical issues? I don't know. But I just know if someone's not being honest with me from the start, they're not telling me the real price, I'm going to have a real hard time trusting the rest. Also keep in mind, we've got great reviews. We do the Carfax reports, we do the videos. I saw on Google we had 4.7 out of 5-star reviews. On eBay we had over 800 transactions. Everybody left us positive feedback. It's 800 people said we did them right and 0 people said we did them wrong. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. What I'm going to do up with this light, give it a hard brake so you can see there's no unusual vibration, noise, squeaking, anything like that. So I'm going to cruise in here, nice hard brake. Performs just like we want it to. That's exactly what I'm looking for. If you want to give me a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a texter, if texting is easier for you, text my personal cell phone, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to try the competition, some of those big companies out there, and I want you to ask them, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. That way, if I ever have a problem, I can reach out directly to the owner. Yeah, let me know how that goes for you. I'd be interested to hear. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can send an application to your email address. We can take one over the phone if you're not real tech savvy. We'll work with you. We're here to help. Check out our entire inventory with detailed Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and detailed videos just like this at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. I want to show you the small rock chip in the windshield here. I'm going to have that patched, so it won't be near as visible. It's not a major deal now, but I hope you can see by our videos we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can, trying to let you know everything I know about this van. So I wanted to thank you for checking out our Caravan, and as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.